A very good morning to all of you. Children, as you people are doing chapter 11, that is perimeter and area. So, we are going to continue that chapter with the new topic, that is circumference and area of circle. So what is the circumference? Circumference is the distance around a circular region. That means when we are moving around a circular region, what we get? We'll get its circumference. So what is the circumference of circle? Circumference of circle is 2 pi r. What is r here? R is the radius of the circle and value of pi is 22 upon 7, or you can take it as 3.14. So children, as you people can see that it's 2 pi r. So what we have to do, we can write it as pi into 2r. Both are having the same meaning. Pi will remain as it is, and in place of 2r we can write d. What is d here? D is the diameter of the circle. So we can write the circumference of circle in the two forms. If we want to take it in the radius form, so we can write 2 pi r, and if we want to use it in the diameter form, then we can use pi d. So now the next formula is area of circle. So what is area of circle? Area of circle is pi r square. Again, r is the radius and value of pi we have to take 22 by 7 or 3.14. So now the first question coming under this topic is, a gardener wants to fence a circular garden of diameter 21 meter. Find the length of rope he need to purchase if he make 2 rounds of fence. Also find the cost of rope if it cost rupees 4 per meter. It means the basic shape here given is the circular garden whose diameter is 21. So let us start. Diameter is equals to 21. So how we can find its radius? Radius is equals to diameter divided by 2. So we will get here 21 upon 2 meters. So now what it is given here? Find the length of rope he need to purchase. That means how many rounds he has to make with the rope? That is 2 rounds to make with the length of that rope. So what we are going to do, first of all, we are going to find the length of rope that means required for the 1 round. So it means we have to find the circumference of circle, which is equals to 2 pi r. So 2 into 22 by 7 into 21 upon 2. Why I have taken pi is equals to 22 by 7? Because it's already given in your question. So here we have to do the cancellation. 2 and 2 get cancelled. Here 7 goes on, then 21. 7 ones are 7, 7 threes are 21. So we are left with 22 into 3. So that means 66 meters. So now what is the total length of rope? As you people see that in the question, we need the 2 rounds to fence the garden. So here the total length of rope, that means we have to multiply the length of rope required for the 1 round with the 2. So here 2 into 66 meters, that means 132 meters. So now cost of 1 meter rope, it's already given to you, that is rupees 4. And how much rope we are having here? That is 132 meters. So we have to multiply 4 into 132. So we get our answer as 528. So now our next question is, Shazil took a wire of length 44 centimeter and bent it into the shape of a circle. So next is find the radius of that circle. Also find its area. If the same wire is bent into the shape of square, what will be the length of each of its sides? That means there are 2 situations. Number 1, first of all, the wire is bent into the shape of circle. We have to find the radius of that circle and area of that circle. Secondly, that wire is bent into the shape of square and we have to find the side of that square. So children, next part of the question is, which figure encloses more area, the circle or the square? And the value of pi we have to take here is 22 upon 7. So length of the wire is 44 centimeter. Situation number 1 is the wire is bent into a circle. That means we have to bend that wire into a circle. It means the length of the wire is equal to the circumference of circle here. So here the circumference is given to be 44 centimeter. 2 pi r is equals to 44. So in place of 2 as it is, pi we have to take 22 by 7 into r is equals to 44. So now 22 into 2 we'll get 44, then 7 as it is. So 44 by 7 into r is equals to 44. So r will remain here on the left side. 7 goes on with multiplication by 44 and this 44 has to be divided on the other side. So 44 and 44 get cancelled and we are left with 7 centimeter only. Now the area of circle is pi r square. So which is equals to 22 upon 7 into 7 into 7. So 7 and 7 will get cancelled with each other and we are left with 22 into 7 which is equals to 154 centimeter square. Now the situation number 2 is the wire is bent into a square. So here if the wire is bent into a square, so length of the wire is equals to perimeter of square. It means length of wire we are having 44, so perimeter of square is equals to 44 centimeter. So 4 into side is equals to 44. Side will remain on the left side and 4 get divided. So 44 upon 4 we get side is equals to 11 centimeter. So now as we have to compare both the areas, so we need to find the area of square which is equals to side into side. So 11 centimeter into 11 centimeter, that is 121 centimeter square. So now as you people see that the area of circle is 154 centimeter square and the area of square is 121 centimeter square. So it's clear that the circle encloses more area because its area is 154 which is more than 121 centimeter square. Now the next question is, from a circular sheet of radius 4 centimeter, a circle of the radius 3 centimeter is removed. Find the area of the remaining sheet. That means here we are having one circular sheet and from that circular sheet one circle is removed whose radius is, that is 3 meters. Clear? 3 centimeters, and find the area of the remaining sheet, and pi we have to take 3.14. So radius of circular sheet is 4 centimeter. I am taking it as capital R. Radius of the removed circle, that is 3 centimeter, I am taking it as small r. So how we can find the area of remaining sheet? We have to minus, that means subtract the area of circular sheet minus area of removed circle. That means we have to find out the area of remaining sheet by subtracting the area of removed circle from the whole circular sheet. So pi capital R square minus pi small r square. Why capital R square? Because I have taken the capital R, that is the radius of the circular sheet, and small r as the radius of removed circle. So as you people can see that pi is coming common. So pi as it is, capital R square minus r square will remain inside the bracket. In place of pi, 3.14 into 4 square minus 3 square, 4 4s are 16, 3 3s are 9. So 3.14 as it is into 16 minus 9, that is 7. So you get our answer as 21.98 centimeters square. Children, I hope you have understood the concept. Thank you. God bless you.